Hey, beautiful souls. Today we will be going over the wide angle seated forward fold. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jasmine. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get updates on my newest videos. The wide angle seated forward fold is a perfect pose to help prepare you for any seated forward bends, twists, or wide leg standing poses. This pose gives you the benefit of an intense stretch of the upper and lower body, as well as the calming effects of a forward fold. This pose helps to lengthen the hamstrings and stretches the back, thighs, and calves. It can also increase mental calmness and decrease anxiety by releasing stress and tension. This pose will open the hips, groin area, and the back of the body while also stimulating the abdominal organs and strengthening your spine. So, if you're looking for a yoga pose that can benefit your lower body and release stress and tension, this is the video for you. So, let's begin. You will start in staff pose with your back straight and your legs extended in front of you. Make sure you're sitting directly on your sit bones. Then open your legs out to the sides as wide as you can while flexing your feet and pointing your toes. To prepare for this stretch, we will start with some chest circles. 10 circles to the left, 10 circles to the right. Then we will do a wide left leg stretch and hold for 10 breaths. Then we will repeat this on the other side with a wide right leg stretch and hold for 10 breaths. Now we will be looser to get into our wide angle seated forward fold. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Exhale and hinge at your hips, walking your hands forward and bringing your torso to the floor between your legs. Keep the back straight and avoid curving the spine. If you can't fully reach the floor, you can place your head on a block for support. If you can get all the way down to the floor, then you can keep your arms extended in front of you or grab your left foot with your left hand and your right foot with your right hand, whichever feels more comfortable. Now we are going to hold this pose for 1 minute and remember to keep breathing. Beautiful. Now, to get out of the pose, release your feet and walk your hands back towards your body. Then slide your legs together and return to staff pose into a seated position. And that is how you do a wide angle seated forward fold.